arriving at Terminal 8. Track 1 is a Jamaica train.
Home of the brave. This is the worst. I hate getting searched. Morning. Welcome. Morning.
Welcome aboard. Before you part, there are some important safety instructions.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Captain YERrr. Unfortunately, on our taxi out, we had an indication that our equipment cooling system is not functioning properly, and that's a requirement for flight. So we'll have to return to the gate.
That is beautiful. Touchdown. YERrr. Yeah, man. Stepped outside. Like literally just stepped outside. And it's hot as fuck. Game number 3. Touchdown, baby. Look at this. Woo. I feel like people don't even use taxis anymore. Watch this. Oh, 44444. It was meant to be. Foundation, peace, travel. Let's fucking get it, boy. Look at all these taxis. 777. That's crazy. Those sickies. That's what I seen. 888. Done switched up my mask. I have no reason to be recording this, just that my numbers hit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I know they here with me. We about to be litty in the city. Miami. Patrice is irritated with me. I don't know why. I'm just happy. I'm in Miami.
Nigga. We always supposed to meet at this one place and y'all come 3 hours late.
That wasn't our fault. Yo.
Oh, okay. Alright. They just got in?
Yeah.
What took them so long?
They was lost.
Yeah, they got lost.
No, Mom, they lying.
They got on the wrong
They're
flight.
lying. They're lying.
My hair done. Sit. Look at this little knick-knack paddywhack give your dog a bone store. I think it's only right if we leave a merchandise. At least one thing that says Miami. Oh, a shot glass. Found it. Watch this be expensive. Oh, that's not too bad. This is cute. You want to get this? This is dope. Oh, Gabby, I like that. This is cute though. I like this.
But more than I want. The souvenir.
There it is. Not really. It's more like a snack. I got some Pinot Noir. I got some whiskey. Got some champagne over here. That's it. They don't really have nothing in here. That'll be a nice place to shoot. Look at that little ball over there. We need to go find a pool too. This place is nice. This is cute. We got a pool in our little backyard. Swimming pool and jacuzzi. Oh, yo, my Nina guys. Yo, look at the trees though. Yo, that's nice. It's nice out here. And I look good. I deserve to be here. Ooh. 3 feet for niggas who can't swim. Like, look, we really on a fucking lagoon just surrounded by water. That's so nice, yo. It's currently 5:55. Look at them. He's supposed to be over here smoking. Fly wave on the lens.
He's not gonna get the whole thing, so he's gonna get from
Like middle up, yeah. YERrr.
London Patrice, London Patrice. This way, this way, this way. You too.
There we go.
So what are we drinking tonight?
We're drinking the beers of the fruit.
Pinot Grigio.
Day of the Dead.
Grigio.
Day of the Dead.
Yeah.
Shut it up. You don't need to die today.
Rolling down, don't trip with them hoes.
This the levels, but we off in the same bed. You said I never think about you like I'm brain dead. You gon' know what to do. The dick like 40 chrome and cock back till I shoot. All these little freeholds just wanna dance. I'ma hit you from the back, say bitch you.
Everyone know I've been killed before. I've been bent like a centerfold. I crap with my money, no. Drop that top, get up, reload. Got 4 million in carry on. Let that money fly to the ceiling wall. Bitch, you pay so much to wish it no.
They can't come to the phone. Click. Like, wow. I've been waiting on the phone for 50 minutes for you to answer.
Wait too.
Have you mastered
Look at the graffiti on there, whole shit.
Lord, you
The mystery machine?
Hell yeah.
A mystery machine?
Yeah, Scooby-Doo.
Hell yeah.
Never go to the job.
And it got a CNN on the front. Blue cheese. That's why I'm addicted to blue cheese.
I see how y'all move niggas think she key. I can play many bitches, but it's crazy. I choose not to do it, I stay out the way. I remember when I didn't have Louis V's. That was when I would walk through the rain. Who took all the blame? Took that shit straight to the grave. I keep feeding me bullshit.
What? All the rich ass boys wanna fuck on us. You my motherfucking soulmate.
Look, wood-fired Christina. It's a food restaurant. Sam's Lounge. You don't care.
Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck on me.
I thought you meant like, you know where to go. Alex, you know the dance?
They looking.
Yes.
This is Patrice song.
Your song. Look at y'all. I'm looking. She's ugly though.
Facing a lot of uncertainties in
A car, right?
that makeup.
I look better than you.
Right. Say it again.
This shit?
This is nice.
This is a Rolls Royce?
Yes, ma'am. That is nice out here, yo. It's fucking nice. I can't wait to like this back in New York. A Pitmaster.
No.
Aww. There's cuties over here. They look good. The lighting is spot on. Nah, that shit was good. Niggas over here. He's still macking. I don't know. I'm full. She full. She full. We done bust this whole shit down.
I'm starving.
Why you coming out here?
Starving, nah.
It makes me nervous. Like, I can't. It makes me nervous. So every time I think of him, like, I can't remember his name. Who? He made the song, Bounce That Ass Until It Bounces.
Hey. Man, cash and jiggle it, what?
Wait, one first place.
In the best pussy race.
Remember?
Put straight on the ass on.
Come on.
Cause I know that pussy great. Oh, you got the song. She got the tune. He DM'd you.
Yeah, he was like, you mad cute. I see that booty poking from the side.
Oh.
Like, me.
There go the song, y'all.
Please.
Oh.
No, he's at the end. He's at the end.
So fast forward it.
He's at the end. So he was like, let me fly you out. Isn't that you? No, girl. He told me. Hey.
Oh.
Hey. Oh, let's do this part.
Who sang this though? We still on the artist. Who's the artist?
His name's Flyways. So what do you guys think I should do? Just flew out or what?
How do you feel, sir? What's your name?
I don't think you should get food out.
Really? He said he got money, so. Good, but looking like Asian doll. Okay, like
Mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. I got murder on my mind. She throw that pussy, I'ma hit that pussy like a fan.
looking like Bobby Brown.
Pussy dropping to a pan. Have you ever asked this social? Loyalty over royalty, y'all niggas know the vibes.
Oh, Patrice, yeah. Mad people have fake bodies. It's $27.
Another piece, that's
Look at
another
this
song.
lady.
Ice in the VVs, now she down in the tree.
I'm trying to look right there.
Guys, you got that on the camera?
Yeah.
Get that. I gotta see that later. This is crazy. No, she don't be like, you recording me? She's like, wow.
Can't smash no duck for free. Get that bread, get that. They leave with my keys. What's up, Bree? Hold up. What's up, Key? Club God. What's up,
We going to the boardwalk, we going to the beach. We going to the boardwalk, we going to the beach. Beach closes. Who be listening to that? Oh wow. This is the famous Miami Beach niggas be talking about. It's fucking cold, yo. It's brick, but it's beautiful over here. I'm not even gonna hold you. Look at the fucking sky, yo. Like, it's so nice. It is so beautiful, yo. Look at these dudes. Got some bullshit like Chicago, so I put that finger up and the index finger follows. Deuces. No future in tomorrow, I'm a dick. So it shouldn't be that hard to swallow.
Get it, girl!
It sounded like a neon light. Yo, why y'all messing with it like that?
What if you get drunk?
That nigga gonna run away. Look, it's eating. It's
Don't
eating.
go too close, guys. Those spines will slap you on the tail.
This should be a turning place for your video.
Yup, I'm be up here like.
It's mad at them little Johns. Oh shit.
They fight?
Pick it
Who
up.
bite you? How am I supposed to walk?
Just whoop. It's gonna move.
Oh, he ready.
Oh look, he put his tail up. He ready to just smack a bitch. We not gonna bother you, bro.
Thank you.
This is their territory. We the aliens.
Wait, we made it to the end?
Stand up, put your foot on it. It's gonna feel better, right?
Yeah, Gerard. Nigga might go back to Boston with a pair.
No, I'm about to go back to Boston.
Nah, he cruising.
First of all, you almost...
Some believe on me, some believe on me.
Versace, like I'm doing now.
Nah. Hey, hey.
Hold on.
Hey.
On the beat. I'm
Hey.
representing, I'm stepping.
Hey.
The bad bitches
Hey.
all on me. They home on me. You know I'm the Chinese. You already got me. I'm on beats. On these. On beats. I'm on these. Hold on. Nah. Patty on the sub.
We paid this girl $1 to rap.
Bitch, I am not asking for no dollar. You see these nails? Get it together. Now it's like everything was cool. Then 5 minutes later, he's knocking the nigga out. And I was like, oh. I'm just like, he really did that. My mom just was like, you doing good? Yeah, I'm doing good. You just stole this nigga bike. Like, who's he doing good?
Oh, it's so nice. Y'all hear the birds chirping? It's so nice around here. We got the ladies in the back. This is the nicest day of the week. The last fucking day. That's a shame. But we gonna enjoy this shit. Miami Design District. That's pretty dope. I'm not even gonna hold you. It is fucking cars.
Looking at him, let's myself watch this. He's double checking to see if George with us. You didn't see that? You didn't see that?
I seen him. I was there when he was walking down the street before y'all got there. I was there with the cat. I told you.
I was there with the cat.
He left us to their room.
Okay.
Big heavy monkey.
Nah, we gotta find it. It's all the way over there. All the way over there. Yo. I wanna go with the fucking slider. I'm trying to find the slide. And it's all the way over there. It's down there. I don't know how to get there. Yo. This shit got a whole slider. Use at your own adult supervision. She went down. There's several little paths here. That's so dope. My head coming in. I'm up the street, boy. If I fall, I fall. We having our own mini photo shoot though. He can't go nowhere. Jamaican spot. Good eats. Good eats.
They don't make those anymore. Like quality.